In this quick video, I am going to show you how to design t-shirt in Canva. So it is really easy. Firstly, open Canva and log in here with your account and then search your t-shirt. Once you search it, then it will give you options. So this is t-shirt and then it will show you multiple templates here. You can go with anyone. So in case you want to go with this template, then just tap on it and then you can modify that template according to your need. So I want to just start with this template. Let's suppose I want to go with this one. And now after that we need to click on customize this template and then it will open the template in Canva design, and from here you can just double tap on the text and type anything here. You can do whatever you want with this template. You can increase the size of text by dragging these corners, but I don't want to go with this template, so for that I'll simply select all of these things and hit backspace to delete them. And now I want to customize my t-shirt design according to my need. So for that, firstly go to the text option from the left panel and from here tap on add text box to insert a text box here, and you can type anything here. So suppose if I type ABC here and then I need to increase the size, simply drag the corners and the size will be changed. You can also reposition it by holding left click on your mouse. And to change the color of your text, firstly select your text and on the top bar you will see couple of options. So from here you can change the color of your text. If you want to go with pink one, then select that. You can also bold your text, you can make it italic, you can underline the text. So everything can be customized for your text from this top toolbar. And also you can change the font to whatever you want. So I'll simply go with this one. So this is the process to customize your text and add your text box. But if you want to add a preset template for your text, then firstly to show you that I need to delete this text from here and now go to the text option from the left panel and now scroll down here and you will see bunch of custom presets for your text, and you can use any of them, but make sure that the right side will show you all of the pro presets. So you can't use them unless you have Canva Pro subscription. So to use free template, we just need to scroll through the left side and then we'll see all of the presets of text. So if I want to select this one, then I just need to drag it on my canvas and you can see the text has been inserted on my canvas. We can increase the size, we can reduce it, and now I want to place it here. After that double tap on the text and then you can edit it. So I want to type here beat and under 3000 I want to type limits and then increase the size from the corner and then it will fit perfectly. Now to add any image on your t-shirt design, go to the upload section from the left panel and tap on upload files and select the file which you want to upload on your Canva. So I have this file, I need to select it, then tap on open and the file will be uploaded on your Canva, and then drag that image and place it on your canvas. And now I can increase the size of the image by dragging the corners and place it wherever you want. So I want to place it here, but you can see my text is now hidden behind this image. So to make it visible, we need to firstly select our image, then tap on position and go to layers and make sure that your image is behind your text on these layers, just like this. And now you can see my text is visible now. You can also add multiple elements on your design. For that, tap on elements and under it you will see bunch of shapes, you can see bunch of graphics here. So multiple options are here as well. You can customize everything according to your need. If you want to change the background color, then for that select your background and tap on the color option from the top panel, and here you can choose any color you want. So if I want to go with gray one, then I can select it. There are a bunch of gradients as well. You can select any gradient from here. And now to download this design, we need to tap on share from the top right corner and after that click on download and choose your file type as PNG or PDF. If you want better quality for printing, then choose PDF print from here and after that tap on download and then it will start downloading your design as an PDF. Once the download is complete, you can see your PDF here. You can see everything is good and now you can print this design on your t-shirt. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.